It may come as a shock to most non-Pakistanis that currently there are around 84 political civilian prisoners in Pakistan military's custody since almost a year. All of them belong to Pakistan's largest political party, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. They were arrested on fabricated charges. They are not being allowed fair trial. They are being kept in inhumane conditions. They are subjected to horrific torture, including waterboarding, lashes, beatings with a stick, sleep deprivation, and the threats to remove their nails. A very worrying news has emerged today that two of the detainees, Barrister Hassan Niazi, who happens to be the nephew of former Prime Minister Imran Khan, and one of the leaders of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, Mia Ibad Farooq, both of them are taken to an unknown location. They were supposed to meet their family members today, but the meeting was cancelled. The other prisoners in the custody have confirmed that the prison cells of both Hassan Niazi and Ibad Farooq are empty. This is extremely alarming because allegedly a lot of people in the past have disappeared forever under the military custody in the province of Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. There is no evidence whatsoever against these prisoners of conscience. This is precisely why they are being tried in secret in the military custody and are not given the right of defense. Their only crime is to stand with the democracy, to demand human rights and freedom of speech. Pakistan is under direct military control since the ouster of Imran Khan's government in April 2022. The human rights of Pakistanis are usurped. There is zero freedom of speech. Media is heavily censored. Access to X is blocked. Constitution is abrogated several times. Mandate of 240 million Pakistanis was robbed in broad daylight in recently held elections when military directly intervened and rigged the elections on an industrial scale. It is sadly a lawless jungle. We are hearing that the prisoners in military custody will be sentenced for several years in the next 5 to 6 days. We would like to urge the human rights organizations and international media to highlight this serious issue and raise your voices. If there is any evidence against these civilians, then trial them and open in civilian courts. After all, Article 14 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, which Pakistan has ratified, guarantees the right to a trial before a competent, independent and impartial tribunal established by law. Military courts in Pakistan are not independent. All we request is restoration of human rights and justice system in Pakistan.